We took a day trip to Incheon.
And our first stop today here is the Fairy Tale Village.
We weren't exactly sure what to expect from Incheon.
But what we found was colorful, quirky, and way more relaxing than we imagined. From fairy tale villages and historic streets to a peaceful seaside walk, this is how we spend our day escaping the hustle and bustle of Seoul. Our first stop was the Songwol-dong Fairy Tale Village. We wandered around admiring the murals, the fairy tale statues, and even a little castle in the neighborhood.
It's playful, it's colorful, and it's very Korean, in the best way.
The Fairy Tale Village is actually a village with little houses where the people live in.
Only that those houses have paintings with fairy tales on it, like Hansel and Gretel, Alice in Wonderland, Wizard of Oz, etc.
Be warned though, there are some hills and lots of stairs, but they're painted, so at least you'll be smiling while your legs burn a little. Next up was Incheon's Chinatown, the oldest and largest in South Korea.
We absolutely loved exploring the streets and the lantern-lined alleys. ended our day with a walk along Wolmido Culture Street, a lovely promenade right along the sea.
There's a small theme park here, and while we didn't go on any of the rides, it was fun to see people out enjoying the day.
The walk itself was the perfect way to wind down a surprisingly fun and relaxing day. Incheon might not be a must-see if your time in Seoul is limited. But if you got an extra day like we did, it's a wonderful little getaway that's easy to reach and full of charm.
This was just one of the many amazing things we did while we were in Seoul. So be sure to check out all our South Korea videos for more slow travel, food, and cultural highlights.
And if you like this video, please support us and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of our travels around the world.